Indigo loved the train horn.
It's the #1 train!
My family came out to spend time with me at the Old Car Festival. My brother, Mike, his daughter, Katie, and his grandson, Indigo, came up from Georgia.
I live by railroad track.
Indigo, age 4, had a blast. He was so excited about all the activities around him.
Now the station departing. Remain seated at all times, keeping your arms, your legs, and especially your head inside the rail car. And for the safety of our little riders, please place them towards the center of the road. And if that's not possible, make sure their helmet usually within your reach. And as we head out, we're going to say goodbye to Laura and Selma, our station masters, keeping me on time.
One of his favorites was the train ride. This video is for Indigo. This steam engine was the best. My hat had soot on it when I finished the ride.
Here, you're going to be looking at a big white farmhouse. And that happens to be the birthplace of Henry Ford. Henry Ford was born in that white farmhouse in July of 1863. Ford lived in that white farmhouse with his mother, father, 5 brothers and sisters. As we scoot past the farmhouse, you can take a quick peek on Main Street. There's lots to see and do in Main Street. You've got Mrs. Cohen's Millinery Shop, ladies. And now we're coming into Porches and Parlors. In Porches and Parlors, the gateway to Porches and Parlors is right here, the Ackley Covered Bridge. That was built in 1832 in southwest Pennsylvania. Once in Porches and Parlors, you can tour all the beautiful historic homes we have back here. Like the Robert Croft house, Noah Webster's house, or maybe you want to walk down to the pre-revolutionary working farm, the Little Daggett farm. Now the turtles are sunbathing. That's nice. And now we're coming into the Susquehanna station. So please remain seated where you are.
So, what is your name?
Indigo.
Okay, how old are you?
4.
4. And what's your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple? All right. Anything else you want to say?
No.
You like this train?
Yeah.
Very good. So is this your mom over here? Is that your mom?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, good. You having a fun time here?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yay.
Built in the 1640s from Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Then we have our little working Daggett farm. That's a pre-revolutionary farm built in the 1750s in Andover, Connecticut. What they think is a blowdown. That's when they blow out large amounts of steam, mostly taking a lot of smoke. makes the grass look so good, that's because we steam clean it regularly.
Indigo loved those blasts of steam.
Alright, on the count of three, we're going to yell hooray! 1, 2, 3! Hooray! Good racing, guys, good racing. Oh, geez, we're all getting our fair share of complimentary.
You got 2 hours left here. Everybody's home. You want to go get ice cream next?
All right, you want to go see him? Oh, here comes one flying. You might want to fight. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Nice car. Very nice car. Yeah.
Let's go deep.
Indigo's excitement and enthusiasm was unparalleled. He showed me that the future generation is indeed joyfully engaged in life.
Can we put your turn signal lever on the correct side? Do you mind if I do that? But, because I already tried to fix it on a run, I remember like the reason why it's that way is because the blade itself. Oh, the blade itself. That's one blade. Oh, just one blade. I thought the whole thing come off. No, just the one blade come off. Oh, Jim, look. Should get rid of that 2-blade fan.
Oh,
no, just kidding.
yeah. My goodness.
So I thought it. Yeah, that A got an owie.
Yeah.
Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another hood because I had a body.
I wouldn't even know if I'd fix it because it tells a story. If it gives us something, I wouldn't even fix it.
Leave it, yeah.
I don't even know if I'd fix it because that's a good story about the car, really.
Yeah.
So that happened to you?
What? We're going to go by the...
Yeah.
Good talk to you, mate.
All right, take care.
Yeah, I have one at home. I'm not going to use it because you can see where they repaired it.
They welded it.
Well, yeah.
Well, when that happened, there was no 2-blade fans available. All the
okay.
suppliers were out of them, so I had to drive it that way.
Okay.
But I just put the new fan on there about a month ago.
Let's go. Okay. All right.
Cool little battle scar, I believe it. It does look cool. It's part of the car's history.
Self-inflicted hood scoop.
Yep. Self-inflicted hood scoop. I love it. Yeah, sure.
But it'll buff out. It'll be fine.
It'll buff. Yes, sir.
Sit in there.
You gonna get on the
Get
seat?
your picture taken.
He's been dying to get me
Did he
one.
help himself?
Pardon?
Did he help himself?
Yeah.
He was offered.
He was offered.
Okay. I just think he's been anxious. And
So what do you think?
Let me get your
You like it?
Thank you.
You like it? Yeah? You want to get one when you drive? Ah.
No matter what they offer you, right?
Is that good? You like this one?
Is that cool?
Can we get one like this?
You can get one like this and paint it purple.
There you go.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The Old Car Festival at Greenfield Village was an incredible event. Then to have it augmented with family, well, it can't get any better. Such good memories and times were created.
I'll ramble till I'm tired. I'm not satisfied. I'll ramble till I'm tired. I'm not satisfied. Gonna find my man or ramble till I die.
She rides like an